Nirmala ken yam kana diala kontin baru ani lingwasame. Biya kamal ka Nuer online TV channel gwasame banarwaj. Ke kui kirma yadit kene Dr. Machar. Jo bana lingwasame banarwaj. Kata andana chayen Dr. Machar. Kirma yadit. Man gor kon gwadam bana ling. Kir should release Dr. Machar instead of declaring a state of emergency. Kir da loine Dr. Machar ko dong da lar no take de ni tibuj bikan roach re which ka South Sudan ko dio jangai kon dial madan le roda. State of emergency lar ke je re which ka United State kamayom. Kana which jani ka Warab State. Kan gwatin kon lat ke state of emergency then. Bana jome bana jalin kel no. Kir be Dr. Machar be jalun agenda ngwe Canadian. Maniam President Salva Kiir Mayardit should prioritize releasing Dr. Machar from our arrest if peace is to return to South Sudan. Gore janobi malbe benray which ka South Sudan and Kiir Mayardit be Dr. Machar be jadilun retijan. The continuous restriction of Dr. Riek Machar, a key figure in the peace process, has done nothing but deepen political tension, sow mistrust, and block the path to national healing. Instead of empowering peace, President Kiir has now declared a state of emergency in United States, a move that threatened to worsen the suffering of innocent civilians. Kiir Mayardit ko dong dar loine Dr. Machar ko dong dar nong namal Rewika South Sudan ngode tene Dr. Machar etijen ngode chamal te goro dar ben ke dar mal dar jenong de choje shush kana Rewika South Sudan dar ora kapchong wena Kiir Mayardit ko mo kame la the state of emergency Magore no bi deini bikarwe kaje Rewika South Sudan chirka mangai kon diale entame la istene dial kantis ni Rewika South Sudan roi ke netin kont la deine mi kon gwi kone witin ko ken roini deinitin alo charu je wal cha pelentame ko dong de roini ramme mo shadich chalat ko bala na detin Kiir Mayardit Jawako Bamed Baka captain ne Arlington County tere which adanatin were ticketed. Kiir Mayardit melede me naganana chenong normal Rewika South Sudan. Men jaga long ke state of emergency guas me biajaling. State of emergency o bi ruinating con tin ladine rewich. Telarada dien magorke. Jen menen yana. Ka Rewika United State rainy dayton cha doran shalke mayom cha jako bala gwad mi mo cha gurno betekane te bijal kel sit ke ngene mi cha bon cha janen bon mo baje yik dak dor ko cha gurno bi jal kel men ban ngai gwaseme the consequences of a state of emergency in United State men jega der no and Michal Kamen Woburu ne de ni re which Kia cha goro no arami mo bejal re which kamach Kia banen kamach netin kon tila de ni Kiir Mayardit ka duomi mo gorga jan wo ba nuarin kon tila ngwane tila take match ba meken ba ka kep ko bikan kulela powerless wana me jake de ni ko bigate ka power mi dit ko miteram shele ko no ba jaw de ni ba jeling ramo ba jadil naka de ni Jen shalka mo state of emergency. Mi mo shi mo gwa ka shi chong ka china de chong ka jakel. Okay. Ko na me cha jang na ting na ko ba gwa. Ye na na. Ka jaka o ba nei tiloka ba ka dil nak. Che mo ngai kono no nuari kana jang ka jan gwas me chicken take good time. Ka shi ka jang dial. Kiir Mayardit take all this plan and woben worry baka dil na gwentin content katin kanite content ba gwit ken yaman ba gor ka gan waren content ka bom tente ka lwang ala jechen bor no atele kume mende dong no bo waj ba yen ke date murai kono no ba waj ba yen de ni win mi chit tere chush ka gwan me bar waj mi shangana jektene wen so na me jagane jonat ko charge beling nere kondi dawin anyok biken humanitarian ba biken jako charge bu jekke china bu jekake under emergency rule civil liberties are often suspended. That means people can be detained without due process, movement can be restricted, and free expression can be limited. Which a state of emergency charge last let. No. And around Baja yen misharwach charge gor humanitarian chicken kwenye kana butup ne dial terambijal. En neitung wan bugrian barbo ko gwadana cheke tokten so na me jaganat ko bika bet ko bika dual ajen andan lat ke kirmi yadi gorjeno en woni dial bika dil dual teram bo betok da biye gok na me siang mi chodalut ala jin kwer magunu jeno binat binangne ka metcher ka me sianen go boganat keren yalen kir na mo tela mal medeben changa kel changle la mited batela mal medeben okay ala solution gwasame shi obana vaka force kamach releasing Dr. Riek Machar and allowing him to fully participate in the peace process is a strong path to peace than emergency power. South Sudan needs inclusive leadership that involves all parties, SPLM-IG, SPLM-IU, and other opposition voices. It needs national dialogue, not dictatorship. Peace cannot be built when key leaders are locked out or sidelined. Malcha deben gwadadan and cha kwarde malkule nung cha kayen. Malamo cha chole mal. Tell mal deben. President Kiir must understand that the peace agreement is not just a document. It is a promise to the people of South Sudan who have suffered too long. That promise cannot be fulfilled while emergency laws are used to suppress political opposition and while Dr. Riek Machar remain under house arrest. Telemal medeben mo kwanetin kon tentaka bonan kule game ke Kiir kwa gale yan jake Dr. Machar ko betereti jen you know kamoja ne dial kontin ci chung kel ke ja en Kiir moja karik chikin ya de dawone jen ko teke de inde gorno kan boj bi rwajone ne me chamal che de no mal be benelo me cha Dr. Machar cha jo ko lu nyreeti jen be mal be kul ben cause is the only way tell option odien mugu yenen go take option odien tell option odien option o ba Dr. Machar ba je dil yon loñ gwada dana teten ajal biti dial be ka tugone Shona kondial ala Kira nokmal. Let peace rise, not emergency rule. Let us call all of us, let us call President Kiir to lift the house arrest of Dr. Riek Machar and restore freedom of movement for all political leaders and focus on real peace building. Let him not govern by fear, but by trust and reconciliation. South Sudan deserves a future of peace, not a repeat of the pain they already know too well. Ano bikir bangut kami, kabana kabom, lugaram mo michi jawda de lat, beja moy kariak, okay? Aname yaranungu, yaranamal and kimi yadit. So mal beben enemishi na chigurin kon matagwa, okay? So Sudan go no kwermi mane dial che goro kwermi wana bikanak bon dial SPLIU SPLIG bonten ko kien de ko den dil mat ko bi malbeben cha de gwenje kwikel kine dial chilo den de tet ko cha Dr. Mo char cha je yen so ko kijemo a changlet kirma yadit mandana le der jala chi jen do dan de mal der ben kaje kirma yadit Dr. Mo chalunya then peace will come Kiir alun Dr. Machar Dr. Machar aku participate ke peace process bi mal bakule ben ban metale ramimo dir ke tignen diala kon tin liu tin chuch so bi mal bakule benede. The only way forward is for Kir to release Dr. Riek Machar and allow him to participate in peace process. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.